I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Samba Pad Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger. It is an elegant solution for your desk, for your nightside table, for basically anywhere you want to take it. And it does great things. Charges your phone, charges your AirPods, and charges your Apple Watch, all in one device. Let's start off by looking at it in its closed state. So right away, you'll notice that it's well made. It's got a very, very solid metal feel to it. One thing that I do note that I don't really love is that it does use a proprietary cable for power. Rather than USB-C or something like that, it's using a wall adapter that has a very, very specific pin to it. So if you lose that cable or it breaks, then really you're going to be SOL with this product. Or you have to buy another one, of course. Starting on this side, we see a spot for your Apple Watch. We see the space here for your AirPods, AirPods Pro, and of course for your phone. And just like that, it's very easy to set up. We'll pop out the Apple Watch part, and right away you can see the watch just basically sits right in there. The AirPods go right on the center here, and your phone, just like that. And we're set. Ready to use it, ready to charge up. And it's got indicator lights in the front here that will tell you that it's actually working and charging, which is great. But there's more to it when it comes to the actual phone part. So let's have a look. In this configuration, we have that nightstand mode that you may want to use. So we'll just stick the phone onto here. We'll stick the watch into here. And the AirPods go right into here. Just like that, and you're ready to use it. And of course, you can adjust the angle of the actual nightstand. So if you do want to use it for your desk to take a video call or something like that, maybe watch a TV show, a movie, super easy to do and charges up the device while you're doing it. Another great feature of this charging setup is the fact that this middle one is in fact just a Qi charger. So that means if you're going to use a non-Apple phone, or maybe you have multiple phones, an Android and an Apple, you can use the Apple one here, and you can then use something like a Pixel or a Samsung or any other phone that has that Qi technology right here in the center, and you can charge it all up. When it comes to power wattage output, you get a total of 22.5 watts out, 10, 10, and 2.5. So depending on how you have it configured, you'll be able to get good power. Of course, it's not fast charging. It doesn't give you 20 watts at one spot. It's a max of 10 and then 2.5. When it comes to compatibility, of course, it's going to work with any of the Apple accessories that have the wireless charging built in, the watch, the case for the AirPod or AirPods Pro, and of course the phone, iPhone 12 and newer. But the charger here for the actual headphones will also work with stuff like the Pixel Buds or the Samsung ones. Again, as long as it has the wireless technology to charge it. In terms of using the Apple iPhone with certain cases, you do want to keep in mind that cases that are a little too thick or have a metal ring in it will cause a problem. So you do want to use the MagSafe compatible cases and technology. When it comes to the indicators in the front, if you get a solid white color, that means it's charging. If you get flashing white color, that means there's some kind of an interference and you need to reposition the device. Coming in multiple colors, you'll find the right solution for your aesthetic taste. Comes in gold, purple, white, and this beautiful space gray color, which I really love. All in all, an elegant solution from Samba. The Pad Pro magnetic 3-in-1 charger is a great addition to anyone's bedside table or their desk. And I will put a full description below and you can see if it's the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.